Good afternoon, guys, everyone. Today I am come back to next video in physics, not this mathematics. In physics, chapter name is Archimedes principle. So our point to know the thing to be weight of the submerged the body is submerged is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the body. So what is the topic? To prove the weight of means to prove upthrust is equal to the W of water displaced by the body. Our topic is the upthrust is equal to the W of water displaced by the body. See, I take one beaker over here which is full of water contained in it, and a cylinder is immersed on the water. It was floating. So we know that upthrust is equal to height rho g, height dg or height rho g. Okay, may I clear to you? One thing, this symbol and this symbol is known as rho. Density means rho means this, or simple you can do this. For rho symbol, density of the body, height into gravity, acceleration due to gravity into rho. So become HdG or H rho g because density means rho. May I proceed to all up to this? Now, I will give you the reason in two ways. First, technically. Second, numerically. So, I will learn you this matter. One, technically, and one, numerically. First, I will do technically. See, the upthrust. The upthrust is always acting from downwards. The upthrust is acting upward to push the object upward, and the body weight acting downward. Okay, so if the body weight acting downward, it push the object downwards in the beaker, and as the beaker has the quantity to take the water up to this, it pushes the cylinder up to the bottom and the upthrust trying to it up over. So as the result, the object comes to the middle portion of the water or the liquid. As a result, the object have a mass and sorry guys, some symbolic mechanism has been occurred, so don't worry about this. Come back to our point. As it so the body has its own mass and its weight. So when the body pushes its tendency to come at the bottom and upthrust tendency to lift the body at upper portion. So as a result, when it immersed a body, it will displace some liquid, and the liquid which will be displaced by this material will be the same of its weight. Means the weight of the body is being equal to the weight of the water displaces by this object. This is from the technical side, and from the numerical side, how will we calculate it? From the numerical side, see, the upthrust I will written as U. Upthrust is known as H rho G, and the both side it will exert pressure. Am I correct? Pressure. So pressure, what do you mean by pressure? P equals to F by A, and this pressure created one force. Upthrust is a force. So if we calculated up force, then we will get P into A. P into A means P multiplied with A, and we already get the pressure as H rho G. Upthrust means pressure. So what area is needed? We take area as A1. Okay. So the formula means the equation become H rho G A1. After this H rho G A1, so what is being become over here? When height is multiplied with area, what do we get? Volume. Height into area, we get volume. Volume we get. Okay. Volume rho G. May I proceed to you all? So when we come back to volume rho G, and rho means density, so you know the formula of density, that is density equals to mass by volume. Okay, so here we can written over, we have to write over here that volume into V by V into M by V into acceleration due to gravity. Now, according to the formula, volume cut it, because volume in numerator and V is denominator over here. So numerator denominator is equal, then it will be cutted. So we get mass into gravity. mass into gravity. So in previous video I had learned you that mass into gravity means weight. So we get weight. Whose weight? We get weight, but whose weight? This body weight. Body immersed. Immersed body which is being immersed, and whose weight? The water which will be immersed, which will be displaced by this object. So we can conclude that the W of body is being equal to the W of water. The W of water. So upthrust is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the body is being proved. So I think that you have no any query about this matter, whole matter. So let's stop here today. Goodbye to all of you, and please subscribe my video if you like the video. Thank you so much.